Welcome to the recap of Science to Go and Zoom Bouncy Ball Edition. Be sure to grab all your supplies as well as some paper towels because this can be a little messy. Just a lineup for you: 2 tablespoons warm water, half teaspoon of borax, a tablespoon of glue, and a tablespoon of cornstarch. First, 2 tablespoons of warm water. Next, half a teaspoon of borax. Put that into one bowl, or in our case, cup, and begin to stir. You're going to stir until the borax is dissolved. Next, 1 tablespoon of glue. You may find you want to use your popsicle stick to scrape the glue into the cup. Make sure it's a separate cup, of course, and then a tablespoon of cornstarch will be added to this glue and mix. It's going to be a very shiny appearance to it, and that's great. Add the borax water solution. I started to think perhaps I would do a little at a time, but it really didn't matter. I got a little nervous that maybe it would harden too quick. So go right ahead and add the rest of your borax and water solution and stir. As you're stirring, you might just see that it's starting to already clump and then there's some water left over. Just stir really well to make sure you got all of it mixed together. There will be some water left over. Pull out what you got, and you'll see it's just about formed into a ball. Again, there will be leftover water. Don't worry about that. Put that to the side. And now it's time to start really working in this ball. It'll be a little wet, maybe a little bit slimy at first, and that's okay. You're going to want to keep working it. You might want to fold it into itself, and after a while it might have a little air bubbles to it. But there you go, a ball. Yay! Check it out. And maybe you want to add color to it or glitter in the future. Have lots of fun bouncing the ball. A note to self. I made one prior to this about a month ago. If it's not in an airtight container, it will harden up. So, take care of the bouncy ball and have so much fun with it. I decided this ball will go into a Ziploc when I'm not using it.